Hi everybody, my name is John of Petershams Millinery and welcome back to this Christmas countdown with Petershams Millinery 2019. So it's day 2 and yeah, it's day 2. Wonder what we're going to get today. So just put the coffee to one side. I have my box. Oh, let's see what. So I can see 25. I want to. Oh, there's a lot of tissue. I'm gonna start putting these out. Let me see if I can find number 2. There's a lot. Oh, there's number 8, 9. What's that? 17. Oh, number 2. Here we go. Oh, and let me get the next few because then at least I know where they are. Right, so number 2. That tells me what it is. More of this beautiful ribbon. Just put that to one side because I never throw anything. And what do we have? Ooh, we have this beautiful padded headband. So let me see what note. So these are 30mm padded velvet headbands. They come in an array of gorgeous colours, perfect for adorning to create a simple standout headpiece or being a cheeky hint of colour underneath your hat. I love these descriptions, absolutely love these descriptions. And this is, okay, £2.75. £2.75. I mean, on its own, it's quite pretty. And I think this is a perfect colour for something I am working on at the moment. So I would have, it's not necessarily something I would usually get myself. And this is the whole point of this advent calendar. The reason why I asked not to know exactly what I was getting was because then it forced me to use things I would never consider using. So yep, £2.75 for this headband. And once again, it comes in a few colours. So I believe it comes in a burgundy. This one I believe is the fuchsia. It comes in dusky pink. It comes in gunmetal, navy blue, and a plum. Oh, the plum's beautiful. Ooh, yeah, that is really nice. So yeah, so day 2, and we have the headband, and from yesterday we have the see, there you go already, you know. Which way? That's the back, that's the back, no, that's the back. Straight away, you know, beautiful little piece, bit of decoration, you know, there you go. Question of the day. So who are you obsessing over the moment? And that was from Anonymous via Insta questions. Who am I obsessing over at the moment? Probably well, any drag queen on TV. I don't know if you're watching RuPaul's Drag Race UK. If you're not, you need to be watching it. That was it's a very good program, so I'm obsessed with most of the girls. And Davina De Campo, we love you. She's a Yorkshire drag queen. She's from my neck of the woods, well, kind of. So we're rooting for Davina in this house. So Davina De Campo, definitely. And I'll probably say Todrick Hall. If you don't know who he is, his music is pretty lit. And I can't believe I just said lit. But anyway. So thank you very much for watching. Let's see what we get tomorrow in day 3. Very excited. I want to see what we get. I want to get to number 25 and see, because I've seen the size of some of these. I'm like, ooh. So yes, join me tomorrow. If you haven't, make sure you subscribe. And if you are subscribed already, hit that notification bell to be notified when we release videos, because we do every day at 8 p.m. in December. And make sure you follow all my social media. It's all be linked in the description box below. As always, thank you very much for joining, and I will see you tomorrow.